How to add a travel notice on Chase app. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a travel notice to your Chase app, or is it even necessary? We're going to see all of the details in this video, so make sure to stick till the end. First thing you're going to have to do is go to chase.com, and if you haven't already, you can sign into your account. So in previous years, you used to have to notify a credit card company or your travel notice before going anywhere to use your credit card. But in this case, after their policy changes, here you are no longer required to notify the team or the bank to travel anywhere with the card. So in the past, credit card users and the bank asked customers to provide a travel notices when using a card while away from home. At Chase, you can travel and make large purchases without calling them due to the advancements in fraud detection technology. So, in some instances, Chase may reach out to you to directly confirm a purchase. And if you have any travel plans, you may be wondering if you need to alert the credit card users due to advancement in fraud detection technology. The answer is no. So, you're no longer required to notify them. But even if you want to do that, you could set up a alert on your system. And if something is necessary, Chase may reach out to you directly to confirm a purchase. And you can also customize account alerts to get notified and informed about your account activity. So in order to do that, you could just go ahead and open the Chase mobile, confirm the credit card contact information is up to date, and from there, you could just set up your alerts from your app. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.